Hi, I actually bought the first ever Elle Advent calendar. At the time it was fresh. They were one of the first to include the hourglass dim infusion ambient lighting powder, a little mini there. So one of the first boxes to do that. At the time, you weren't getting those hourglass ambient lighting powders anywhere else, unless you wanted to splurge for the entire thing. It was a very fresh Advent calendar. There was a Benefit Gimme Brow full size. Again, at the time, it was not repeated, and the things in there were fresh. This year's, though, let's take a look. After that, I haven't bought Elle because the quality wasn't the same. Happens to every single Advent calendar, doesn't it? Anyway, this year's Advent calendar looks like that and is priced at £125, so not a huge difference in price. The first ever Elle Advent calendar that I bought also costs the exact same thing. The worth apparently is £575. We will see if that is true. Anyway, let's take a look at the contents. The first product, Tatcha the Essence Skincare Boosting Treatment. 75 mils you get. Full size is 150 mils. Not going to count it. The next product, the Vlom Cleansing Balm 2015, 16, 17, 18. I have a rather large stack of the Vlom cleansing balms that I could possibly use as hockey pucks or something. They were everywhere at one point, as ubiquitous as Beta is today, 4 or 5 years later. But Evlom still exists, sometimes pops up here and there, even today. Anyway, it is in full size. Full size is 100 mils, you only get 50. The next product is Dr. Barbara Sturm. The good vitamin C serum you get. 10 mils is what you get. Full size is 30 mils. The next product is a full size candle, 200 grams indeed, from Floral Street. You may get citrus rose or rose provence or spring bouquet or sandal. You get one candle, full-sized, 200 grams, in any of these fragrances. That retails at £38. The next product is Laura Mercier Translucent Pure Setting Spray. You get 100 mils of it, which retails at £34.50. Next you have from Maria Nila, the Salty Mist, 150 mils, indeed full size, retailing at £26.50. Next you have from Merit, the Signature Lip Lightweight Lipstick in the shade Cabo Red, full size, retailing at £28. Love the packaging. Next you have from Shampoo, the Leave-In Perfecting Cream, 75 mils, indeed full size, retailing at £28.50. Next from Bare Minerals, Loose Powder Blush in the shade Rose Radiance, £24, indeed full sized. Next you have the Revive Mask for the eyes. You get one sachet under eye patches, my friends. A pack of 6 is full size, so I'm not going to count it. Next you have from Shiseido the Altimmune Power Infusing Concentrate. You only get 10 mils, full size is 30 mils. This has made an appearance in several Advent calendars in the past. Next you have from Aveda the Botanical Repair Overnight Serum. 30 mils is what you get. Full size is 100 mils, not going to count it. Next from Ren, sadly not any of the skincare, but a full size pillow mist, my friends, sleep mist. And now to sleep, 75 mils you get, retailing at £20, indeed full size. Next you have from Oliva the Hydroglow Marine Algae and Hyaluronic Acid Bicellulose Face Mask. You only get one single mask. Pack of 5 is full size, so not going to count it. Next you have the Sculpted by Amy My Mascara, 12 mils. Indeed, full size, retailing at £18. Oh my, everybody has to send out a black mascara this year. And if they send out black mascara, can this be far behind? Black eyeliner from Ico. Black Magic eyeliner. Oh dear God. The only slight difference is that you get the brown one instead of the black one. But it's still Ico, it's still an eyeliner, it's still very unexciting. Ooh. This retails at £16. Oh dear. The next product is the Sally Hughes Revolution Placid 5 Acid Daily Exfoliant. 150 mils full size, retailing at £14. Next from Nails Inc. Base Glow Hyaluronic Base Coat. You get a 14 ml bottle. Indeed full size, retailing at £15. Next from Bobbi Brown, you get the extra lip tint in Bare Pink. This is actually a tinted balm. Unfortunately, you only get a mini of 0.7 grams. Full size is 2.3 grams. Not going to count it. Next from Tweezerman, micro tweezers, retailing at £12. A pair of tweezers, how exciting. The next product is from Fenty. It is the Hydra Reset Intense Recovery Glycerin Hand Mask. 30 mils is what you get, full size, retailing at 75 mils. That sounds interesting. Next from Milano, an Italian brand I think we should all see more of in advent calendars. The Green Me Duo eyeshadow in the shade 01. That looks interesting, and that retails at £10.99. The next product, yeah, the difference is that it's rose gold. I do have the rose gold one, but you know, I've been keeping this black one around for, you know, showing you lot and for including in my nightmare advent calendar. The one you get here is not black, it is rose. That's the only difference. Other than that, it is the Slip Skinny Scrunchie. Pack of 6 is full size. You only get a single one. Hair tie and tweezers. The Clay Dipper Clarifying Cleansing Foam is next. 20 mils is what you get. Full size is 125 mils. Not going to count it. Lastly, Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax Mini. 3 mils. Full size is 6 mils. Not going to count it. So they've actually got Eve Lorman, tweezers and scrunchies and Daiko. They must have copied my Nightmare Advent calendar or something. I mean, I filmed fast. But, you know, it didn't leak or anything. The Elle thing was announced before I published the Nightmare Advent calendar. So, you know, but it looks very similar, doesn't it? I mean, I left out Eve Lom, but I had tweezers, I had scrunchies, I had Aiko. Oh dear. I had a sheet mask. I forgot under eye patches. Yeah. Next time. There is so much data in here, so many repeats. Tweezers, scrunchy. Anyway, let's do the price breakdown. Floral Street Candle 38 quid, Laura Mercier 34.50, and the Salty Mist is 26.50. You get £99. The shampoo leave-in the cream is 28 quid. You get 127, and you have passed the cost of the advent calendar. Bare Minerals blush powder blush is 24 quid, and the Rain Pillow Mist is 20 quid, you get £171. The mascara is £18 and the Aiko is £16, you get £205. The Revolution Exfoliant is 14 quid and the Nail Zinc is 15, you get £234. Tweezers are £12, oh dear. And the Kiko Milano eyeshadow is £10.99, you get £256.99. Oh yeah, I forgot that Merit red lipstick, that is £28, I'm sorry. That gives you £284.99. So you pay 125. You pay 125 quid for the advent calendar. You get full sizes worth £284.99. So there are 13 full sizes in here, and those add up to £284.99. So for me, the exciting products in here are the Floral Street Candle full size. Sounds good. And that Merit lipstick looks very nice, although it is a red. I mean, I don't use red lipstick. Won't suit my colouring and skin tone and face and generally or aesthetic. But the packaging looks nice, and I wouldn't mind trying out Kiko Milano eyeshadows. So 3 alright products. And the duds, don't get me started. There's a scrunchie, tweezers, Eve Lom cleanser, everybody's got one, Aiko liner, under eye patches, sheet mask, pillow mist, salty mist setting spray. This is a very misty advent calendar, and they couldn't even make the lip balm a full-size product. Even the tinted lip balm from Bobbi Brown is a mini. Oh dear, not much to see here, people, to be honest. You know, it is not one of those great advent calendars at all. It's not even an okay one or an alright one. It's a very uninspiring and unexciting one. Very, very similar same old products here. Black mascara, black eyeliner, check. Pillow mist, it doesn't matter if the pillow mist is Ren or This Works or some other brand. A pillow mist is a pillow mist is a pillow mist. Aveda Overnight Serum, another that we've seen a lot of. Shiseido Altimmune, again, been there, seen that. John Lewis had that, I think, 2 years ago. Or was it 3? Can't remember. It's all a blur now. So this isn't an exciting advent calendar at all. I call it downright uninspiring, and they could have made it so much better by leaving out all that tat, you know, all the tweezers and scrunchies, and including some exciting products there instead. But who listens to a single word I say, other than you lot? Anyway, I am so bored by this calendar that I'm going to stop talking. Those are my thoughts on the Elle Advent calendar. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. That's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.